to teach you how you can register in one. First of all, you need your referral link. You're gonna see this page. You're gonna choose your gender. You're gonna input a name, last name. You're gonna choose your country. Then you're gonna input an email. It can be any email. You're gonna choose a login. A password. And you're gonna set up one PIN. You're gonna check who is your referrer, check these 3 boxes here, and create account. That's it, guys. If you have any doubts, you can contact us at any time.